Welcome to the Weather Guru Podcast for Saturday, July 18, 2026, for the lower 48 United States. Thanks for joining me, ladies and gentlemen, on this edition. We're, of course, going to be talking about the severe thunderstorm warnings and watches in the lower 48 United States. And we have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings and watches. Good news is we don't have any tornado warnings that have cleared north of the border in Canada at this time. We do have one for Clearwater County. But in the meantime, we're looking at the severe thunderstorm warnings here in Montana. We have one for Pondera and Toole counties in here. Just includes the town of Shelby, Montana, for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour straight line winds. This is just about 45 minutes southeast of Cutbank, Montana here as it continues on. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester, Carter County as well in Montana. As you can see, these storms here are popping up here just to the south of the Canadian border here. These storms will continue to impact the area for the next 15 to 30 minutes here before they move on out of this area here and into the Canadian prairies here. Now, severe thunderstorm warnings down in Arizona. Out west, we continue our western motif here. In Mojave County, Peach Springs, we have a severe thunderstorm warning for you guys. It includes the areas surrounding that. There's flash flood watches and warnings here in the desert here. A warning here that goes on to an hour 47 minutes. National Weather Service in Las Vegas, Nevada issues a flash flood warning for northeastern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona. This includes the Colorado River between mile markers 217 and 238. This is until 7:30 Mountain Standard Time. Heavy rain is flash flooding. It's occurring right now. You want to definitely turn around, don't drive. That's experiencing the Diamond Creek campground is affected by this here. As you can see, heavy rain in Mojave County in Arizona, northwestern Arizona here will continue here. This rain extends down toward Prescott Valley here as we continue in Arizona here in the meantime. Now, we also have in Texas severe thunderstorm warning for Glasscock and Midland counties here. This is in Midland, Texas here along I-20, Midland, Odessa region here. We have some severe thunderstorms you can see moving in here, bringing 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts, straight line winds for Glasscock, Midland counties, Andrews and Martin counties here. And you can see that this is going to be lasting for the next 30 to 35 minutes here. Again, southern Martin County, northern Midland County, southeastern Andrews County, and western Texas there. You can see that they're providing 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail is being reported. So hail damage is reported for the vehicles and damage to roofs, street siding, and trees. So please take caution if you're in the Midland Air Park, the Midland Tarzan Cotton Flat area. Interstate 20 between mile markers 131 and 155 here. This is the zone here. You want to be careful. And I put it into motion here. You can see these storms are moving, but they're training over the same areas, and they're moving sporadically here. These cells here, these discrete cells. And so they're only moving at south at 6 knots. So they're not moving very fast here. This is why we have that flash flood emergency warning on top of the severe thunderstorm warning. So it's going to be a rough night for those folks in the Midland, Odessa region here in those following counties here for the next hour or so as these storms continue to move on. Now, we just had popped up a tornado warning that expires in 30 minutes for Huntington County. This is for this creek in the line here. This line of storms running from State College just southeast of Interstate 99 here. This line is running in here. So we have a severe tornado warning for Huntington County. Radar indicated. And hail is falling almost up to 1 inch in north central Huntington County. National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has just issued this. The severe storm capable of producing a tornado was located over Franklinville, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. So it's moving very fast here. This is radar indicated rotation. You want to get into your basement or get into an area with low, put as many windows between you and the storm as possible here as it comes through Bear here and into Huntington, Pennsylvania here. Just to the west of the mountains here. You can see here we have this storm coming in, and there is a little bit of rotation indicated here. There was reports of small trees and branches down in Bellwood here reported by a user here. So storm damage with straight line winds are being reported, and there's a possible rotation with this system. And so National Weather Service went ahead and issued a tornado warning for Huntington. This lasts for the next 30 minutes here, getting your safe space away from windows as this storm comes through, as it pushes across. It's already pushed across I-99 through Tyrone State College and Pine Grove Mills, and it's heading in the Huntington area here. And that county, Huntington County there, right here, it's a tornado warning for the next 29 minutes here. So you want to get in your safe spot in that location too as well. Now, we also have severe thunderstorm warnings for Missouri and Tennessee. Straight line winds and hail. This continues here for Dyer, Lake, Obion, and Penobscot counties here. This includes Tiptonville, Caruthersville, and places like that along the Mississippi River Delta there as well in that area. Now, most of the other ones are in Canada. I told you about the flash flooding that's ongoing in Texas yesterday. We have flash flood warnings continuing here into other areas here as well, such as New Mexico, Donna Ana County, and some other counties trooping near I-25 near Truth and Consequences in Silver City. These flash flood warnings will continue as the monsoonal flow continues to pump moisture up into western New Mexico as well. We also have a flash flood warning in effect for Maryland, southern Maryland here, Talbot counties and Caroline counties here. So this includes Queen Anne, Greensboro, Goldsboro, right along the border here with Delaware. You can see Denton. Heavy rain is falling yellow, so be careful in this area here. This is expires in an hour and 40 minutes. Law enforcement reporting flooding of small creeks and streams in this area. Some locations that include flash flooding, of course, Easton, Denton, St. Michael's, Cordova, Harmony, and Copperville. Once again, a flash flood warning in effect in southern and eastern shore of Maryland, again, the central Carolina and northeastern Talbot counties. So be very careful if you crossing the bridge, the Bay Bridge, over in this area and heading south past Stevensville into Easton and down in Federalsburg and some of these communities down here. Heavy rain is in effect in the Delmarva area too as well. Flash flood warning continues for Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Allegheny, Beaver, Brook, Carroll, Hancock, Jefferson, and Washington counties here. This concludes the southern suburbs here of Pittsburgh here in the Laurel Highlands here as well. Heavy rain is streaming along here from Wheeling, West Virginia into the Laurel Highlands. Johnstown is included as well. As you can see that the warnings there as it comes off the lakes there. These storms continue to make an impact here in that area. Special marine warnings continue in New England, the mid-Atlantic here as well, with these showers in the New York, Long Island Sound. Some of these storms could produce 40-knot winds, 30 to 40-knot winds, and hail up to almost 1 inch here. So special marine warnings continuing from the National Weather Service in New York, from Sandy Hook, New Jersey, to Fire Island Inlet, New York, out to 20 nautical miles. And that continues there. 34-knot winds and small hail, small craft advisories in effect in that area. You can see all these rain showers continuing up into Waterbury, Connecticut, and up into Bridgeport and over toward Providence, Rhode Island. These showers are continuing off the coast here toward Martha's Vineyard. Some showers lingering in the Jersey, southern Jersey, Philadelphia area as well here. Nothing crazy, but there is rainfall out there as well at this time. And so this has been your What to Do update for July 18th, 2026 for the lower 48 United States. Thank you for listening, ladies and gentlemen, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care and blessings to you.